Outdoor lighting is more than just a practical addition to your Plano home. It plays a crucial role in enhancing your property's curb appeal, ensuring safety, and creating a welcoming ambiance. Whether it's accentuating your landscaping, lighting your driveway, or securing your home with motion sensor lights, your outdoor lighting system deserves regular care and maintenance to keep it functioning effectively. With the changing seasons in Plano, it's important to ensure that your outdoor lighting is always in top condition, so your home remains beautiful, safe, and energy efficient year-round. Here's how to maintain your outdoor lighting system in Plano. Regular cleaning of fixtures. Over time, dirt, dust, leaves, and even bird droppings can accumulate on your outdoor light fixtures. This buildup not only affects the aesthetic of your lighting but can also reduce its effectiveness by blocking light or causing bulbs to overheat. Cleaning your fixtures regularly will help maintain their brightness and extend the life of your bulbs. To clean your outdoor lighting fixtures, start by turning off the power to avoid electrical accidents. Use a soft cloth or sponge with mild soap and water to gently wipe the exterior of the fixtures. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaning materials, as they can damage the finish or the glass. For light fixtures with lenses or covers, be sure to clean both the inside and outside to allow maximum light output. Additionally, check for any accumulated debris in or around the fixture. Leaves and dirt can obstruct the light, reducing its effectiveness. Regular cleaning ensures your lighting continues to function efficiently and looks its best. Check for damaged or burnt-out bulbs. Just like indoor lights, outdoor light bulbs can burn out or get damaged over time. A quick inspection of your outdoor lighting system every few months can help you spot any burnt-out or malfunctioning bulbs before they go unnoticed. Be sure to replace any faulty bulbs with the appropriate type and wattage to maintain the brightness and safety of your outdoor lighting. Consider upgrading to energy-efficient LED bulbs if you haven't already. LEDs last longer, use less energy, and are more durable than traditional incandescent bulbs, making them an excellent choice for outdoor lighting. Additionally, LED lights are better suited for the varying temperatures in Plano, ensuring consistent performance year-round. Inspect and maintain wiring and connections. Outdoor lighting systems are exposed to the elements, which means the wiring and electrical connections can degrade over time. Moisture from rain, humidity, or seasonal changes can cause wiring to corrode or connections to loosen, leading to malfunctioning lights. To ensure your lighting system is functioning properly, check all wiring and connections periodically for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. If you notice frayed wires or loose connections, it's essential to repair or replace them as soon as possible to avoid safety hazards. If you're not comfortable working with electrical systems, it's best to call a professional electrician to inspect and repair the wiring. It's also a good idea to ensure that the wiring is securely fastened and protected from damage, especially if it's buried underground or exposed to weather conditions. Installing weatherproof covers for connections can also help extend the life of your lighting system. Maintain timers and sensors. Many outdoor lighting systems are equipped with timers or motion sensors to help conserve energy and improve security. Over time, these components can become less sensitive or may stop working altogether. To keep your system operating effectively, check and test your timers and sensors regularly. For timers, ensure that they are set correctly for the time of year. For example, in the summer, the sun sets later, so you may need to adjust the timer settings accordingly. In the winter, when the days are shorter, you may need to shorten the on time for the lights. For motion sensors, test the sensitivity by walking in front of the sensor to see if it triggers the light. If the sensor isn't working properly, it may need to be cleaned, adjusted, or replaced. Dirt and debris can block the sensor's view, so give it a gentle cleaning to ensure it's functioning properly. Protect lights from weather damage. Plano experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from hot summers to rainy winters. While outdoor lighting fixtures are built to withstand the elements, prolonged exposure to extreme weather can cause wear and tear. To protect your outdoor lighting system from weather damage, ensure that your fixtures are securely installed and that any exposed wiring is adequately protected. Consider installing weather-resistant covers for light bulbs and fixtures. These covers will help prevent water from entering the fixture and causing damage to the wiring or electrical components. For areas prone to heavy rainfall or snow, such as near gutters or under eaves, you may also want to install additional protective covers or shields to minimize exposure. Additionally, be mindful of debris such as leaves or branches that may accumulate around your lighting fixtures, especially during seasonal transitions. Clearing these away regularly ensures that your lights aren't obstructed and can continue to illuminate your property effectively. Consider upgrades and technology enhancements. As technology evolves, so do outdoor lighting systems. In addition to replacing bulbs and repairing existing fixtures, consider upgrading to newer technologies that enhance the performance and convenience of your lighting. Smart lighting systems, for example, can be controlled remotely via your smartphone, allowing you to adjust the brightness, schedule lighting, and monitor your outdoor spaces from anywhere. Motion sensor lights, dusk to dawn sensors, and smart timers can provide added security and convenience. If you've had your outdoor lighting system for a while, it may be time to consider these modern upgrades that improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance needs, and enhance your home's security. Seek professional help when needed. While many aspects of outdoor lighting maintenance can be handled on your own, some issues may require professional assistance. If you're unsure about electrical work, have a damaged fixture you can't repair, or need to rewire part of your system, it's best to consult a licensed electrician. A professional can perform a thorough inspection, identify any potential issues, and ensure your system is working safely and efficiently. Conclusion: maintaining your outdoor lighting system in Plano is essential for keeping your home secure, energy efficient, and visually appealing. Regular cleaning, inspecting, and upgrading will ensure that your system works optimally throughout the year, providing you with reliable illumination when you need it most. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can enjoy a safe, well-lit home while also reducing energy costs and protecting your investment in your property's lighting system.